A new world model just came out recently, and I think this is an insane example that I want to share with you today. Today we are going to be talking about Mirage 2 from Dynamic Labs AI. 1 month ago they have released their Mirage 1 version, and right now they released like Mirage 2, which is pretty insane. So what you do is give it an input image and it generates an interactive world, which you can see here. It's a cyberpunk city that is turned into a rainforest, and yeah, you can try it out here playing Mirage 2. It's on blog.dynamicslab.ai, and there are a lot of people that have generated worlds, interactive worlds with it here live, and this is pretty insane. I really want to see what it can create, but we're going to see an overview of what already exists, and then we're going to give it a try. Hopefully we will be able to see a nice result, and let's get started because this is one of the most insane things. So you give it this image and it created this amazing realistic game. You can see WSAD for moving, you can see some extra buttons for running, jumping or whatever, and that's pretty incredible. You can see here a children animated world turned into a 3D game. You can see the Starry Night here from Van Gogh, I think. Wow, this is pretty incredible. Like, this model indeed understands the world and has amazing realistic imagination. This is pretty incredible. And you can also chat with Mirage in real time. That's what they say. So you can alter the game while you play, which is pretty incredible. So you are in a cyberpunk city, you give it a prompt and the game is changing dynamically. Oh my god, insane. This is incredible, and you can share your worlds, as they say here, so other people can play. So let's compare between Genie 3 from Google and Mirage 2. So the differences is that, first of all, it has more responsive control, lower gameplay latency, and better general domain modeling. So the domain is general, it's not just games. And for navigation, they allow multiple stuff like run, jump, attack, but also prompt world events. And on the horizon, they offer a lot of minutes. The latency is at 200 milliseconds, which is still large for a dynamic game, but not bad at all for now. And you can run it, they say, in a consumer GPU. So it's probably like 40 to 50 billion parameters, maybe. Maybe they quantize it, I really don't know. And they released their previous model a month ago. That means that they are accelerating. This is insane. I really have no idea what this lab is, how they're able to do this so fast. And here are the limitations that they have seen, and they will probably improve. So action control precision. So character control is not yet perfect, like right turns having not good responsiveness. There's also the visual stability, so on rapid scene transitions, there are artifacts that happen, but they say that prompt engineering has been able to maintain consistency for extended time. So let's see what other users have created. These guys have created Red Dead Redemption 2, dynamically generated. This is actually from Dynamic Labs, the actual video. So this is pretty incredible. Like, this is really insane to see. And this is an image from a game. I really don't remember which game is, but this is the generation that the user has got from the model. I really don't know if this is the original video quality or it's just, X downplaying everything. But yeah, pretty incredible. Someone else has created like a GTA 4 game, as we can see here, which is pretty insane. And this is actually from Mirage 1. This is not even Mirage 2, which is pretty insane. Here we can see a prompt director. Okay, so this is like a game with a TV. Oh my god, the AI is pretty insane, man, at this point. This is insane, man. Wow, I really don't know what to say. And this is another game with a Superman-like hero. Something's happening on the background. Alright. I think the quality of the resolution is good, but there are a lot of, pixels getting generated, so it's not super crispy, it's not super clear yet. But this is an actual game that's prompted. Oh my god. And this is another game. Wow. I don't know if these people have not recorded high quality video or this is Mirage, but at this point we have to give it a try. We have to take a look at it. Oh my god. By the way, I want to let you know that I have created an AI course. The link for it will be down below in the description. It costs only $20. You only pay once. It's a one-time fee. You get over 30 hours of current available material, and you get new updates to the course, new tutorials on AI automation, coding, deep research, generating images, videos, sounds, as well as music. So this course teaches you all of the AI tools you need to know, also brings you all the new AI tools forward. I think this is the best and cheapest offer in the market right now. So if you want to support the channel, you can try it out. So let's try Mirage 2. I really don't know if we will be able to do this. Maybe we can try one of the specific examples so we don't, kill their servers for whatever reason. And we can potentially use one of the initial images. We can secure the movements and we can write a detailed prompt. This is a preset prompt. I really want to give a try to this. So I'm going to say a 2D fighting game and I'm going to click AI generate. The AI is going to optimize our prompt, do some prompt engineering. So let's see if this works. So this is a vibrant cartoon style characterized by minimalistic light background. Let's hit upload. Let's click start. Okay, so we can change this by add a volcano erupting on the background. Okay, so we're going to update the world right now with that. And we should see a volcano erupting on the background. Maybe not. So I'm going to stop this. And let's go with start here. Let's try this initial edit. I'm not really prepared to test out this model. I really didn't even believe that they will allow us to use it like that. That's pretty insane. The way that they have a server and they allow you to try this model completely for free with your own prompts and play actual games. Of course, server is busy. That's to be expected, but I would really suggest that you give this a try and really let me know if you feel this is as amazing as it feels like. Okay, so the latency is huge. And how can I turn the camera? So to turn the camera, you need the arrows. So let's run up here. Bro. Okay, so this has a lot of latency, but oh my god, this is pretty incredible. If you could run it locally with some AI optimizations on the latency side of things, or pre-generating some stuff. Wow, insane. Really, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.